Yep, back again for another Tuesday night at St. John's, warming up. Today I'm going to start at centre. We've got a few players back, so hopefully we'll be back to full strength. Looking forward to playing today, and we'll see you at the post-game interview. Thank you.
We're on, and welcome back to another exciting week here at the, where are we? This is the stadium, this is the, what's this? AMI Netball Courts. I'm looking forward to seeing what we learned from last week. We had a lot of lessons, and we've had lessons every single week since we started, so definitely looking forward to it. Looking to apply some good positive communication as well. I think is our biggest thing, is communication. So we'll try and keep the comms up. Alright, we'll see you on the other side.
Taking my jumper, it's freezing cold, but we're here. So yeah, we're in 8th grade, so what can you expect? So we're in 8th grade, that's all I know.
Wakaala whatu ke motolosi, woko Jon, manatu au, he te poke hako, ua nimo ke wangahau Niue. Aia, wako elahi.
Thank lahi, nako ki whai kupu ke lata mo pūnipo nei. Pere ne haingoa ko netball mo kaukarehe, kau Erick. Aia, homo, poli o tala ia, lahi e monuina, e kau o tautolu. Lali e kau ke play o loa, ke play mao mo whiwhia. E to pere kau. Si oi ke mo ponei e hom fang si play for me take tata e to ola say kau ke mui palola e hom yeah, thank you. It was awesome game today. I think our game time together is working, we're gelling, we're playing positively, playing as a team as well. Good communication as well, and I think it's working for us, and I think the plan that we've been working on is working. Love the extra subs. You can't go wrong with extra subs. Just gives you a chance to hop off the court, less pain, less sweat. But the prayers, the vitamins, and the training is definitely working, and I think we're doing really well. We're gonna come on top one day. Not today, but one day. All right. Yeah, thank you very much. See you next week.
Man, what a game. We just put on a big effort. Pretty close game, 26-24. Game came down to support us. Getting better and better, so watch the space and we'll be there.
Tonight, our team played pretty good. We lost. But we lost it. But you know, it wasn't a big difference. I'm impressed at our improvement from the first game I played here. We had good subs because they turned up this week. But yeah, I'm looking forward to next week's game. Stevenson played well. We had good supporters. David was really good. Lily was good. And yeah, the team was really good. So I was surprised. That's it. Thank you. Okay, well, today I didn't shoot as many shots in as I usually did, but we had an excellent game. 8th grade, like I said, we lost by only like 4 points, so very proud of the team. They've got a shoot from outside the hoop. So did Hayden. So did Jon. And so did Stevenson. But you know, we were there. Christian and I were there to try, and Wylma was our shooter for the first round. It was an all-round excellent game. We're improving. That's what I can say. So go up. It's only way up.
Playing along.
Thank you.
17th of July, someone's birthday.
15th July next.